Welcome back. Today I'm talking about running and knee pain. So I get knee pain every once in a while when I run. And usually that's because I've stopped running and I'm starting back up again. So what do I do when I have knee pain? Do I stop running? Do I keep running? What should I do? Use this as a guideline and always seek medical attention if you have a lot of pain. So first off, I assess how I'm feeling. I warm up, I start running, I assess how I'm feeling, I do strength and I do stretching. So first, I always assess how I'm feeling first thing in the morning. Does my knee hurt when I'm just laying there? Does my knee hurt walking? Does my knee hurt when I'm going downstairs, kneeling, squatting, just plain old general activities of daily living? Okay, so I always assess that first thing in the morning. I always go for a walk in the morning, either on the treadmill or outside. So I always warm up before a run with walking, or I just go for a walk. So I always assess how my knee's feeling when I'm going for that walk. Then if it is a running day, I'm going to start running. And if my knee is feeling fine, in general, I'll start running. If my knee pain is sharp or shooting pain, I stop running and I continue walking. I try and run again in 5 minutes. If the knee pain's the same, I stop and I only walk. If my knee pain is just kind of a little stiff first thing when I got going, or it's achy, I continue running for 5 minutes. If my knee pain is going to subside, it's going to do it within the first 5 minutes or so of my run. If my knee is not feeling better within 5 minutes, and it's not decreasing at all, then I stop and I walk. If it's decreasing and maybe not totally gone in 5 minutes, I continue running for another 5 minutes. Then I assess again at my 10-minute mark how it's going. If it's gone, I keep going. But if it's not, if the pain is still there at the 10-minute mark, I stop and I walk. So assessing my situation, my knee pain through that walk and run cycle is what gets me feeling better fastest. If I can run, I want to run. If I can't run, it's safest for my knee to stop what I'm doing. So I'm constantly assessing how I feel. My knee pain might go away as soon as I start running and are really getting going with it, but sometimes it won't. So it's not a blanket statement that I'm just not going to try running if I wake up in the morning and my knee is achy, because that's not always the case. Sometimes it just needs to move around a little bit. And then besides running, I do strength exercises and stretching for my knee pain. Overall, I strengthen my whole body 3 days a week, not just my legs. And I used to only strengthen my legs because I just wanted to run, but I knew that strength training was good for me. It was a game changer when I also started exercising and strengthening my upper body. So it's weird to think that my upper body actually made my running better. But part of that is because when I'm exercising and strengthening my upper body, it's still working my heart. So my heart is getting fitter and faster. I'm getting more cardiovascular endurance. So my heart can pump very efficiently, and that will translate into good running. So you want to do a whole body strength routine, upper body, lower body, and core. Strength training my lower body will decrease the chances of having knee pain and reduce any current knee pain by giving me more support to my knees. So if my muscles are strong, then my body can be in good alignment and support me when I run. Stretching is very important. So stretching my lower body will help decrease the risk of knee pain and reduce knee pain that's already there by keeping my muscles flexible and able to go through their full range of motion. This will keep my joints limber and happy, so when I do go for a run, my muscles and joints don't lock up on me. I stretch after every single workout, whether it's a strength training workout, a running workout, or just a walk. I stretch after them all. And note, I say I stretch after them. Don't stretch before. Warm up with a walk or another type of cardio like cycling or swimming before you walk or run, and then stretch afterward. Okay, so that's what I do when I have knee pain that limits my running. I assess the situation constantly. How does my knee feel at rest? How does my knee feel walking, running, other movements? I always warm up. I try and run, and if that pain isn't going away within 5 minutes, I just continue to walk. I make sure I strength train my whole body at least 3 days a week, and I stretch after every workout, no matter what kind of workout it is. Okay, for more tips and tricks for your knee pain, follow along.